Always been working. I'm building a four row block right now. Tired and hurt. Just go cut this piece of 7-foot steel to put on top of this raw block right here and get this to bore the hole right here. And tired after walk through this window to get in and out with the material, put on this and then walk over there so to come in and out. So it's so freaking hot and it's already not even 12 o'clock yet. So I clean out the little jacuzzi I built last year in the front. See, it's up there, so I built. So I have 4 more blocks, but the material that I sieve out, it finished. And 4 more blocks leave to lay and to fill out the pocket hole. But later when the sun go down, I do all of that. That is to block off the roof. So when you're coming through the gate, you don't see my ugly roof. And this is the kitchen that should deck as well, and it's gonna have the same thing. Then this is gonna go up high, yeah, because it was an old building like that one over there, the sister building, and I changed it up. So there's my barbecue thing I built, my aquarium, the pump house, and this flowers thing that wrap all the way go to the gate around there. And then I have this little seated area, but I also have to put on a roofing on the seated area too because it's so hot. But when I get there, up and I lay this block right here. So this is to block off when you come, you can't see the roof. Remember, this is gonna ice up to what, 8 or 9 feet, whatever. All right, let me show you something. Kind of afraid of stepping stairs. I don't know why I get so scared. All right, so see, when you come, you only see that part of the roof. Then this is gonna ice up and deck. Right. So I wake up this morning and lay. Okay, so those are 2016, and then I went in the pool and sit down, cool off, showered, and then come back again. So my cable guy is here. And I'm gonna work him because he have to carry the mixer. Because I went up there and laid those 4 and I was scared to come back down. Ask me why I was scared to come back off down the ladder. I walk around there and you know that steel right there. You don't want to know where that can go. That one right there. So I was like, I'm gonna stop. Ready. Thank you. So this is it. So when the water run off here, it goes through here. If I need to make it bigger, then I will. Then the water is going to go through there and there, and that is going to deck with the same level because we can't bring it up because there's some electrical outlets and shit. So, but then I'm going to block it up to make it be the 16 feet higher than this bit. This is going to come off and go up because see, I shave off right here. So to build that, I got my steel protrude to go into the block, into this block wall that's going to come up to here. Yep. So when you come now, you can't see all of my fuckery. So we got enough space around here. I'm gonna concrete this on a slope where the water just run right down here. So don't worry, it's gonna go on a slope. Yeah, I want this to dry. Then I'm gonna box it up tomorrow, cut off the excess steel. And yeah, I kind of afraid of going down on the ladder. So I walk through the window because this will go up my JJ or my beanbag hole. I don't want that. Fill out that little corner right there from the lot up. So I'm gonna fill it up.